Kalong shisha kubor ka baso shirkai bat sngolingo hakabaladan we ubriu bam shimla itu kerteng bam shimla te hakabadan arngot ki Kynthei ki blasha penthot ya kajingya lenti ke jangki baman kasni haba kilet baria lenti balai chaklas par kila angru bo jukran di Ktien Khlem Akor di Kren yang ke jangki kani ke jingja kadai ke blaja hakapor lai biji no si hajan ka petrol pump Anjali Kalinti baniat kejat balai civil hospital ni ki arngot Kynthei ki dei ki baladan arposnem ka kerta bat kilet kelas ha Sherpi College Kabadan Halaban. Hakaji Kren bakila patai kubua kelaitu bakani ke jingja kam te show ke belajar tang mentaksi hindai ke dei ke belajar man kapor hab kia linti belat kelas kila angru pauni ubre chupang jan hindai andala poi kini hakani ke jaka kila itu ba ujulawi ki jan ju bat peni dakamat ke baling khon.
Tell us about how you feel walking around from this area every day.
I feel unsafe because today like at this moment we saw one guy over there. He was showing us, he was fully naked and he was doing such stupid things. And we want protection, right? Because we, not at all, we don't feel safe. Like, if he is drug addict also now.
Only in this area which you faced some...
Yeah, first, not only today, we saw him so many days.
Every morning?
Yeah, every morning.
Continuously, he's been doing this same shit again and again. So we have to go, we are not safe at all here again. So we need protection. As we stood up today, we told that traffic police and all to just come and see that particular person. Okay, from today he ran away. Next day he will do the same shit. So we really want protection. As a girl, we are literally not safe walking around. Okay, it's a daytime. What if it's a night time? We might do anything. So we are not safe at all. Yeah.
How many days have you guys faced this problem?
It's literally been
1 week.
Yeah, 1 week.
1 week. And nobody does anything to it?
No,
Have you guys filed any complaint to the police?
not yet.
No, because we are in a hurry of going classes every day. So we don't have that thinking of going to the police station and filing that complaints and stuff. So that's what. Every girl is seeing the same shit, but they are like they don't have the courage to tell. But we do. We feel insecure. The police, they should do something for the girls because in this type of matter it's very important to do such stuff.
Can you maybe describe us a little bit on how the person looked like?
He was fair.
Yeah,
He was fair, tall.
tall. He was not that much old. He was middle-aged, kind of middle-aged. Plus, I don't know, he always wear white shirts and jeans pants. Always, okay? Might be he sleep all around behind the bushes.
If I'm not wrong, he used to sleep over there.
Earlier you also said that he was naked, man. Your friend that
Yeah,
naked.
he was naked.
But
he was,
later on, when the police follow him, he was wearing white t-shirt and blue pants.
These are the only area which you guys
Yeah.
face a lot of things. So now walking around from here is not safe.
Yeah, it's not safe
Yes,
anymore.
should provide, cops all around. Okay, one particular cops is enough. Or particular cops, so that we girls will be safe. Not only working in the day, obviously in the night also. Like many girls are working as a part-time job. Evening classes are also there, so they will be like coming by walking, so they will be safe all around. So that's why they should provide cops all around. And in this area, especially this area is very dangerous. Like we don't see people because they are hiding behind the bushes. They might do.
And we have
some
faced
stuff.
this problem so many times.
In which area?
In this area only.
Only in this
Only
area.
this area.
Like, how many people have you seen in this area?
One.
One.
Yeah. One day he was like, I saw the guy. We were all like, we friends were walking from here. He was like not behind the bushes. He was there on the
Bus stand.
bus stand. Oh, he was doing that shit. He was like, he was looking us at a creepy way. He was doing the shit. It was very shameful to see that. Very much. So obviously we need the protection.
How scared do you feel like when guys like that look at you in a creepy way like that? How do you feel?
We really feel unsafe. Unsafe because we as a girl, we have to look around each and every day. Day we have to look around. We feel very unsafe. We feel like actually girls these days they are being harassed, raped, molested. So we have to look around. We have to like we take each and every step. We cannot say